Hello and welcome to Inventiva. Today I am Raunak Soni back again with a fresh cover story. Indian Railways records highest ever freight loading in May 2021. Indian Railways recorded its highest ever freight loading for May 2021 despite the COVID challenge at 114.8 million tons. This is 9.7% more than 104.6 million tons which was recorded in May 2019. Freight figures maintained high momentum in terms of earnings and loading in the month of May 2021 for the Indian Railways, a statement issued by the ministry said. The important items transported during May 2021 included 54.52 million tons of coal, 15.12 million tons of iron ore, 15.61 million tons of food grain, 3.68 million tons of fertilizers, 3.18 million tons of mineral oil, 5.36 million tons of cement and 4.2 million tons of clinker. The Indian Railways earned rupees 11,604.94 crores from freight loading during the same period. Wagon turnaround time also improved by 26% during May 2021. It was 4.81 days as compared to 6.46 days in May 2019. Freight speed improvement leads to saving cost for all stakeholders. The freight speed also doubled over last 18 months, the statement said. So this much for today's cover story. I am Raunak Soni and I'll come back again. Till then, keep watching Inventiva.